Good morning, my name is Parineeti. I am 13 years old and I live in Pune, and you are welcome to see my vision board. This is my vision board. I have divided my vision board into 8 parts. This is the first part, habits and achievements. These are the 2 achievements I want to achieve before the age of 20. This is the kind of person I want to be. This is the habit that I want to achieve. Second section is health and body. This is my dream body and this is my healthy diet. Third section is identity and self-image. These are the 3 things I love about myself. First is people friendly, second is my height, and third is my attitude. This is my future self. I want to be honest and me as an animal. And I want to be a well-dressed person. Fourth section is career and talent. These are the things that I want to achieve. First is thick and long and beautiful hair. Second is perfect score. Third is Miss Universe. Fourth is a doctor and I want to own a hospital. And I want to see the world. These are some of my passion and talents. And I want to dress like this. This is the 5th section, learning and focus. I have an aim of 2 hours to study every day. Science is the subject which fascinates me the most, and I want to win a Nobel Prize. Now the 5th section, family and relation. These are all my relations. I have loving siblings and loving parents, and I want to be loving parents too. Now this is the 7th section, material and physical desires. So these are my 5 desires and the places I want to visit. First is a sports bike, a car, a phone, a big mansion, a laptop, and these are the 3 countries I want to visit. This is the 8th section, spiritual and emotional world. So I am a devotee of Radha Krishna. They bring peace to me and I love to do yoga. So that's all. This was my vision board and thank you for listening.